We're thrilled to have the Monongalia County Courthouse Square decorated for the holidays again this year. Prominently in the center of the display is a 20-foot Fraser fir purchased from King's Tree Farm in Bruceton Mills.
I was involved with Main Street right after the development of the courthouse, and we were in a few meetings and we weren't sure exactly where the tree was going to come from. So I simplified it and I said, I'll get the tree. And a Christmas tree is something that has been provided in that courthouse square for over 100 years. And I found a picture of probably 1920s, circa 1920s, of a ladder truck and the fire department putting this tree up. And I was just really inspired by it. That's what made me decide that I'm just going to do it myself and bring the tree to Morgantown. And I love the fact that, you know, they've picked it up and kind of have ran with it from this point. And I'm glad to be, you know, the catalyst that brought it back.
It's important for Main Street to support establishing a gathering spot for the community around the holidays. Main Street's really the foundation by which this happens. It doesn't happen without support from our partners, from the city, the county, and WVU, all of our businesses and supporters in the downtown. So we're just really thrilled to have this happen again.
A tradition that is continue on when it is that old. I mean, it gives us our place. So I think that it's going to continue, and I look forward to being part of it as a spectator.
So we encourage everyone that is coming downtown to shop and dine during the holiday season to stop by the Courthouse Square, take a picture with all of the trees. The decorations are incredible, and we look forward to seeing you in downtown.